Folks, a lot of you requested this comparison, so today we will be running a direct side-by-side comparison between caresupreme plan from Care Health Insurance and the newly launched Activ Yuva plan from Aditya Birla Health Insurance. Skimming the details here is a bad move because while one allows you to customize your safety net all the way up to senior ages, the other targets the young digital crowd by trying to completely rewrite the traditional rules of hospitalization. Let us break down exactly what you're paying for. Hello folks, I'm Shashank, you're tuned into Ditto Insurance. Subscribing to the channel is completely free and it motivates us to keep making more and more videos. By the way, we also have 5 other channels: Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam and Kannada. So if you want to watch our breakdowns in your preferred language, hit that subscribe button and check out the regional links right down in the description below. The operational metrics and capability scores for both parent companies are appearing on your screen right now, and when you look at the data, the analysis shows that Care Health Insurance runs a significantly larger total health business volume with a vast nationwide hospital network, though their customer complaint ratios tell us that you should be prepared for standard admin follow-ups. Aditya Birla Health Insurance, on the other hand, presents a stable claim settlement history, but their standalone complaint volume sits on the higher side. And because Activ Yuva is a brand new youth product, its long-term stability and real-world claims behavior remains under active internal evaluation by our product team at Ditto. Okay, moving straight into who can actually buy these policies. The demographic rules create an absolute roadblock depending on your family structure. caresupreme is built as a highly inclusive lifelong asset, welcoming adults anywhere from 18 all the way up to age 99, meaning you can easily cover senior parents or extended family members like parent-in-laws under your household planning. Aditya Birla Activ Yuva operates on a strict youth-centric cap, locking its maximum adult entry age tightly at 45 years, which completely eliminates the possibility of adding elderly parents to the plan layout. For sum insured choices, caresupreme ranges from 5 lakh to 1 crore, while Activ Yuva covers 5 lakh to 1 crore alongside an unlimited cover variant. Geographically, Care utilizes a detailed 7-tier pricing layout, while Aditya Birla uses a 3-zone framework, but thankfully no zone-wise co-payment. So, when evaluating the core claim rules, both ecosystems eliminate standard industry headaches by offering no co-payment, no disease-wise sublimits, and no room rent restrictions. However, Activ Yuva is doing something really different and crazy by disrupting standard medical definitions by formalizing a minimum hospitalization requirement of just 2 hours for general illnesses, which is a massive departure from the standard 24-hour rule that caresupreme enforces, along with other plans, of course. Medical timelines, both plans provide robust buffers, with caresupreme covering 60 days of pre-hospitalization and Activ Yuva extending that to 90 days, while both give you 180 days of post-discharge expenses. The first major financial divergence happens with non-payable medical consumables like surgical gloves and masks. Activ Yuva builds this claim protect feature straight into the base plan for free, whereas with caresupreme you need a add-on. And yes, you need to manually pay out of pocket for this extra attachment. So the way your coverage grows and refills over time reveals completely opposite engineering strategies here. caresupreme offers a baseline loyalty bonus of 50% per year up to a max of 100%, but allows you to supercharge it via add-ons like cumulative bonus super up to 500% or cumulative bonus booster all the way up to infinity. Its restoration is highly dependable, delivering built-in unlimited refills for any partial exhaustion and for any illnesses within the same year. Activ Yuva counters this with an exceptionally aggressive architecture. Their Yuva reload feature acts like a day 1 booster, instantly giving you 2 times your base sum insured for your very first claim, followed by unlimited refills for subsequent hospitalization. To fight inflation, Yuva credit mechanism automatically injects 100% of your base cover at every single renewal, completely regardless of whether you make claims or not, allowing your total protection pool to compound up to an extraordinary 1000% or 10 times your starting cover over 10 renewals. The secondary features showcase a massive split between digital health gamification and modular medical riders. Aditya Birla Activ Yuva relies heavily on high-tech engagement through its health return program, requiring you to actively log daily steps, sleep, and meals via an app to potentially earn up to 100% of your annual premium back as spendable health credits, alongside a travel credit option to temporarily pause domestic cover while holidaying abroad. caresupreme chooses a more traditional modular path. While they do offer a wellness rider for up to 30% renewal discount based on a basic set upgrade, their real strength lies in powerful clinical riders. You can opt for BeFit add-on for unlimited gym access, and unlimited care rider to remove the coverage ceiling for one massive claim, and their highly popular instant cover or instant cover plus riders, which can aggressively slash PD waiting periods for conditions like diabetes or high BP down to just 30 days from day one. The illustrative annual premium charts for various profiles are now on your screen. So doing the math, you'd see that for a young single individual or a young nuclear family in their 20s and 30s, Aditya Birla Activ Yuva holds a highly competitive economical entry price because its entire risk pool is restricted to younger, low-risk demographics. caresupreme sits at a highly attractive value for money tier as well, but its base pricing naturally accommodates a much wider risk pool since it allows older age brackets to join the network. Remember, if you look to load caresupreme with riders like consumable cover, super bonuses, and instant pre-existing disease reductions, your final premium will scale up visibly. So this brings us to the final verdict on how you should map these choices to your household profiles. See, as you know, at Ditto, we never make a blanket recommendation because every family manages entirely unique health histories and budgets. You should probably lean toward Aditya Birla Activ Yuva if you are a young adult under 40, highly digitally active, have a clean medical history, and explicitly want to leverage a unique 2-hour hospitalization rule and massive compounding bonus structure at a low cost. However, if you are planning for a complete multi-generational family, require the absolute freedom to cover a senior parent under a single policy, and prefer a tried and tested modular policy where you can instantly wipe out pre-existing disease waiting periods via specialized clinical riders, caresupreme stands out as the highly dependable choice. Ultimately, the right choice depends on you, but if you want an expert to help you audit your profile face-to-face without any sales pressure, then click the link down below to talk to us. Until next time, folks, happy insurance hunting.